camera's not on, sorry.
Imagine if in the end you were like, Acha, I wasn't recording this whole time.
Then it'll be like any other coffee conversation, and then tomorrow we would just have to.
That's true.
Also, the entire month, last month, because I was promoting my lockdown series, Gone Game, I have done probably, just insane number of interviews at home. People might think that it's easy to do it while you're frozen.
No, that's just my expression.
No, you're frozen.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Am I moving now?
You're frozen. Yeah, now you're moving. Because you were like...
Wow.
So the whole interviews at home setup, although it's great that you don't have to wear heels and you can get into your pajamas immediately after.
No, you were right.
It's really tiring, especially because you have to like shut everybody up at home. The dog has to be outside. People are tiptoeing.
You become head of production.
Yeah, I don't really complain about that. But then if you end up screwing up in some way, then you don't have anybody to blame.
It's true.
Yeah.
But don't worry, ours is very low maintenance, low standards. Everything is low only.
Best. That's a good starting point. Good thing to know at the beginning. I don't need to come with my best lines.
No, not at all. There's no pressure.
Just one second. My dad is having a conversation on the phone.
Huh.
Dad, sorry, I'm in the middle of an interview.
What's your sun sign?
Taurus.
That's why we get along. I was like, something has to be there.
And don't say name because Shreya and Shreya are different names.
Shreya and
And I've
Shreya.
spent a whole lot of my lifetime correcting people that I'm Shreya with an I and not Shreya with an E.
Oh, and I do the opposite. I'm like, I'm not Shreya, I'm Shreya. But I was thinking, like, what else do we have in common? Curly hair? I don't.
Wavy hair, yeah.
I was like, she's Maharashtrian like me. Then I was like, Hacha, these are.
You're Maharashtrian?
Yeah.
What? You're a Maharashtrian?
I'm half South Indian, half Maharashtrian, but grew up speaking in Marathi.
Oh wow, तुला येतं मराठी बोलता?
Oh, सगळं येतं मला. It's so bad, my Marathi.
I can't do it.
So I read and write Marathi, but people assume that I don't speak Marathi just because I don't type in Marathi online. And I have to somehow constantly justify that मला मराठी बोलता येतं आणि English पण चांगलं बोलता येतं.
And you've done plays and all in Marathi also.
No, where are you getting this information from?
Online.
There's a lot of random information about me.
I read that you were training to be a swimmer. Then I've read you learned Japanese.
Yeah, that's true. But it's not true that I was a child actor. I've done a couple of fun cameo parts as a child.
Played a boy in some.
In Tutu Meme, yeah. My dad, he got me to play a boy, and I don't know why I couldn't just be a girl. I had really short hair because I used to swim all the time. I just owned dungarees and shorts.
Mushroom cut.
Full boy cut. Boy cut. I mean, forget mushroom and all. Full. And I used to be so paranoid, Shreya. When I used to have that haircut, I used to hide myself in my school bathroom. I was so embarrassed.
Please. Leave me alone!
The early age traumas that we've all dealt with. Called me center shock. And,
Why?
It was like up, no? So that's that.
With the Gone Game, the fun part was that we were essentially doing production, we were acting, figuring out the set. We had readings online, we had workshops online. We learned how to use this app called Filmic Pro. Through all of that, if you realize that just for an actor to be so comfortable and to give one shot with focus, so much has to happen perfectly. This is India's first pandemic thriller series, and not too many things have been made like this across the world. So we're really proud of the show, and people have received it really well. Hopefully the cast, we haven't met each other.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
This is like filming an animation movie, like you're doing only like your parts.
I'm acting in absolute isolation, but somehow because the thriller was based the backdrop of a pandemic, I could use that in my performance.
Get into character because life is pretty much mimicking.
You're really dropping these deep ones today.
This is the theme of our podcast. We pretend to be very fluff, but we've got hidden gems here and there.
Discovered my talent of taking endless naps. I had no idea I could do
That is a talent.
Painting a lot though, which I'm so glad I got back to. I started reading the Mahabharata properly. I have forced myself to not check my phone half an hour before I go to bed and after I wake up, because it would disgust me that I would wake up and my hand would reach out to my phone. It's very rare that you wake up and see good news, especially in the past few months. And staying away from the news is not the solution, but you have to find a balance because it can get very overwhelming.
It was my birthday 2 days ago, and that's why I'm a little like still like in that lull, like you know, when your birthday happens and then there's that lull afterwards.
I prefer eves, the anticipation of the day, but on the day I'm okay.
I expect nothing, and I'm still let down.
28. My general outlook, I would say, to trust the process. I mean, I know it's a serious one. Just trust yourself, trust the process. Self-doubt is something that takes work and time. Also, don't experiment with your eyebrows, because I officially have eyebrows that have different shapes and I don't know what to do about it.
I don't think.
Can you
wait,
see?
no?
See, this is the one with the arch.
yeah.
This one. This one doesn't have an arch.
Now you're doing this. Keep it normal. It's furling up.
I don't think it can be normal. Because I'm a Kathak dancer, my teachers told me our performance is here. So just for it to be clean, she told me to do it. Then a lot of the hair never really grew back over a period of time. So I ended up with just thin, boring eyebrows instead of, you know,
Not
those.
thin at all. You have thick eyebrows still.
I've also drawn.
They don't match!
Okay. This
And
is very
oh,
funny.
the third advice is everyone's losing hair, so don't worry.
Oh.
That's a life-changing one. I wish someone would have told me. We're all losing hair, we're all in it together.
Both your parents were and still are in the industry. Did that ever like put pressure on you in any way?
I don't even think I was pressurized to give them a one-word answer for what I wanted to do in life. And that is the best form of parenting, I think, where you're telling your children that you can be multiple things in one lifetime also. You don't need to have an answer. Of course, you need focus, but you don't need to have an answer.
हाँ कहेंगे तो फंस जाओगे.
हम लोग फंस गए.
Growing up, I was always involved in performing arts, but I was so fascinated to do so many things. At one point, I wanted to be a teacher. I wanted to pursue the civil services. I also wanted to be a food critic because I thought I'd be able to just travel and eat different things
Best.
and then say very nice. Bad.
It was lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Actually, when I started learning Kathak, that is where the change happened. While performing, you know, you're doing Abhinay, and my teacher kept telling me, you're so good, why aren't you acting? I was not overly fascinated by the film industry or anything like that. But when I started doing Kathak and was cast in a play, the whole process of rehearsing made me feel like, you know, I'm just feeling more present than I've ever felt, and this feels right. My parents were supportive, but my mom came up to me and she said, you do realize you're going to have to take care of yourself and get ready. Because I am super lazy.
You've come across as such a groomed person always. Like even on the sets of Bunny, when I would see her, she was so like put together, always
But
organized.
Bunny, I was not. I beg to differ.
Maybe I was projecting at that time because I was like, I want to be her.
Now to take care of myself, I have to.
Yeah.
But it's not something that comes naturally to me. Like I'm so comfortable with body hair. One day I have like hair here. I don't stress. That's the only thing that my mother said. There are lots of aspects to it. It's not just acting. Sadly, like being a part of the film industry is not just acting. There are so many things to it.
So the absolute first thing I do in the morning is have a spoonful of ghee.
Do you get scared that you're that accessible and your personality is even an extension of your job? Like people are going to criticize everything you do.
You do feel a sense of responsibility, and I feel sometimes actors are easy targets in general. And what happens is, I mean, we have different versions of ourselves, right? I'm goofy, messy, clumsy, silly, yet I can be intelligent, smart, sexy. There are so many different things to you. You have your own opinion about who I am as a person.
Very put together, guys. Extremely put together.
Put together. At the beginning of my career, I wondered what side of me do I have to keep in the forefront. But I realized that I wouldn't be able to force myself to do it.
Be yourself. Be yourself.
Don't overthink about how you have to come across. That's something that I always tell actors who want to enter the industry when they say, what should we do? Which casting director should we meet? The only thing I honestly tell them is that all of those things you'll figure out. But don't forget that you need to just be yourself also. You can't put up an act because people are going to see that.
Be yourself. Now come on, Mikey, now you're making snow angels.
I read that your secret skill is singing. Obviously, you know what I'm going to ask you to do.
Okay, tell me your favorite Hindi song. Old song bhi ho sakta hai. Dad, can you suggest a Hindi song? I sang that on Instagram that recently. People will think that's the only thing.
Recap.
अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम, अजीब दास्ता है ये.
How are you so multifaceted as a human being? Monogamy is a sham.
Each to their own.
You don't have to hold this up. The cup thing is very awkward.
Yeah, I don't think of monogamy as a sham at all, and maybe I'm old school. People are free to do whatever.
You shouldn't tell your boyfriend or girlfriend everything that bothers you. I kind of agree with this.
I agree with it too, actually. You don't know what state of mind that other person is also in at that particular point. Or not everything needs to be shared with as much,
Passion.
yeah. So sometimes you can let it be. That's okay.
Ghosting people is not unhealthy most times.
I'm sure there has to be a valid reason for that ghosting, right?
Yeah.
Or no? I haven't ever ghosted somebody. Sometimes you feel like you haven't ghosted a person, but the other person feels like you have ghosted them.
They are the problem if they call all their exes crazy.
That sounds too much of a stretch. How are all the exes crazy? That's a bit much. I'm sure कि चलो one or two maybe. How are all the exes crazy? That makes me suspicious.
This though I know our answer. Romance is overrated.
Of course it's not. People who say romance is overrated are feeling bad that they don't have any romance in their life and they want the world to say that.
By the way, romance doesn't have to come with like romantic relationships. Like life is romantic in itself.
Wow, Shreya. See, today I dressed up for you, so this is some romance here. FYI, through all these dating relationship questions, my dad has been in the room and now he sat next to me and he said that even eating is romance. I said, I absolutely agree.
Yeah.
Place yourself in the context of the larger world. Like there's this fantastic documentary, you should look out for it. It's called For Sama. It's documenting life in Syria. It just grounds you and there are so many things to be grateful for. I'm a big Queer Eye fan, by the way.
Damn, it makes me so happy.
Tell Netflix
Who
to
would you
get me.
recommend for a makeover?
That's a very good question. I haven't thought about that. Who would I recommend for a makeover? I don't know. Although I really want a makeover. I want really short hair. See, now I want short hair. Growing up, I didn't want short hair. Shall we end this interview in Marathi? झाला आपला इंटरव्ह्यू झालाय का आता?
हो झाला आता.
तू
The thing is, I speak with Marathi American accent.
सावा, अजून काही प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे तुला की नाही विचारायचा?
नाही.
आय डोंट थिंक तुला मराठी बोलता येतं कारण तू फक्त तुला मराठी बोलता येत नाही. श्रेया वैद्य, तुला मराठी बोलता येत नाही, तू खोटं बोलतेस.
Oh my god, I'm getting flashbacks of my Marathi tuition teacher.
Meet each other soon and we'll make something together soon.
Yes, and I'd like to just plug in that those who haven't watched Gone Game, please watch Gone Game on Voot. I have another show coming up called Crackdown, which is my first action series.
23rd September. Okay, I'm gonna plug all of that in. And anything else, where can we find you on social media?
Don't find me, that's okay.
Hey, they totally match.